Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add animation to your text on the Filmmaker application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, if you want to start a new project, click to the New Project button at the upper side of the screen, and in the project section you can find your old project. New, I select an old project and go to the right side of the screen and click to the third option, the letter. Here, go to the animated section, and here you can add different animation to your video. If you want to add text, just click to the double tap to edit button and just write your text. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.